Assalamualaikum. I am Asma in Asma's Kitchen, and Asma's Kitchen is all about to present every recipe in quick and easy way, at the same time really mouth-watering, and to make cooking easy peasy for everyone. And today's video is all about breakfast, so I'm gonna share really exotic recipe for Channa Tarkari. For this you will need chickpeas, 2 cups clarified butter, also known as ghee, 4 tablespoons, 1 tomato chopped, 1 onion chopped, quarter teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoon chili powder, green coriander chopped half cup, 10 green chilies cut into 2 halves, 1 teaspoon ginger paste, 1 teaspoon garlic paste, water as required. Now for the recipe, take a pan, put it onto flame. Flame should be low medium. Add 4 tablespoons clarified butter. Let it melt. Then add 1 teaspoon garlic paste. Stir it. Then add 1 teaspoon ginger paste. Saute them for at least 30 to 60 seconds. Then add 1 chopped onion in it. Saute it again. Then after 30 seconds, add 1 chopped tomato. Stir it a bit. Then add 1 teaspoon salt in it. Then cover its lid and let it cook for 5 minutes on low medium flame so that both onion and tomato will be absolutely tender. After 5 minutes, stir fry it a bit more. Then add 2 cups chickpeas. Stir fry it also. Then add 2 teaspoon chili powder, quarter teaspoon turmeric. Mix it well. Then add almost 1 cup of water in it. Mix it. Then cover its lid. Wait so water become boil. Now water is boiled. Add half of coriander leaves, green coriander leaves, and all the green chilies. Stir it again. Cover it and let it simmer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, it is ready. Dish it out. and garnish it with remaining chopped coriander leaves. And serve it with parathe or puri. It is complete delicious breakfast. And if you want the recipe of these crispy parathe, so click on the I button show up on the screen. If you like this recipe, then click like, comment me and let me know about your opinion, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe Asma's Kitchen for more delicious recipes, and don't forget to click bell icon. Thank you so much for watching.